Hey guys, let's talk some Dogecoin because right now there's billions of Doge hitting the exchanges. I kind of want to get into some of the stuff going on because a lot of people are panicking. We're going to talk Doge. We'll look at the price action as well, and we'll get into this article as we are facing some selling pressure. Okay, but I think it's something where we've had some good days in crypto, some bad days. We've been a little bit hot and cold, but as we look at kind of what Bitcoin's doing, I will share with you guys the overall as we get down into this. Let's look at coin market cap, see exactly where the market's at. But first guys, if you are new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join us. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. All right, and this is what we're looking at. All right, we have Bitcoin basically back over 118. Dogecoin's actually up on the day now, as we were a little bit into the red, but now 0.81%. Okay, so still eighth in market cap. I will talk Doge and kind of what we're looking at as we are trading at around 22.81. Okay, and if you guys watch my stuff, we'll take it. Okay, because we've been talking about Doge, saying that was undervalued even when it was below 13 cents. And obviously, guys, what I'm telling you in this video is not financial advice. Make the best financial decisions for yourselves. Do your own research and make sure that you guys keep that in mind. Okay. Before we get going, though, and talking about this article, I do want to bring to your attention one of the projects I am affiliated with. This is the Sapphire Studios token. Okay, there will be a link down below for what this is providing. Okay, and this will take you to a buy page, also the website where you can check out what they're bringing to the table in gameplay. Okay, this is Web3 gaming. So if you guys are my age or a little bit older, you're probably familiar with Command and Conquer. If you do any gaming on your iPhone, on your Android, this is one where the beta is now available to download from the App Store. Okay, so check it out. This is one where if you look into it, it's very similar to what we're trying to do within big Web3 projects, okay, such as Axie Infinity, Clash of Clans, as well as Pokemon Go. There's tons of them right now that are booming, and gaming is one of the niches that I do get involved with, okay? So Sapphire Studios token will be needed for the gameplay. Yes, you can play the game without it, but if you want to get into expansion packs, if the game does have success, it will kind of benefit you to be a Sapphire Studios token holder. Also, for the gaming element, okay, you will get to mine your own crypto within Gold Inc. Okay, so that's one of the cool things about it for somebody who wants to just play a game and earn crypto. This is a Web3 game bringing one of the larger MMO interfaces. And the one thing about them from a token standpoint, okay, right now at launch, they're going to be at around a $10 million market cap right now as they are in their pre-sale stage. Okay, so a lot of potential. As we've seen Axie Infinity have a lot of success. And it's one of those things within meme coins and game cryptos, you just quite frankly never know, okay? But if you do like the game, you do play Web3 games, check out Gold Inc. You can download it right now from the App Store and the Google Play. And then from there, guys, pretty much it's right there in front of you. You download Gold Inc., you mine gold, convert it to your Sapphire Studios token on top of the tokens that you would be buying into with this pre-sale. And with my link, you will get into the distribution stage where you will get a bonus 10% extra SST. Okay, so yes, there will be a bonus. You can see right here, if you go and click the link, create an account, you will have a user dashboard for Sapphire Studios. And then from there, guys, right now there's a 94% bonus today that is on a countdown. And then you just click buy token now, and you can see kind of what one SST token is valued at in this pre-sale. Okay, and then also if you do want to tell other people about this, you will have a referral code with this account that you can share with your friends and get involved with the SST token. Okay, so I do suggest you check out the white paper, read about it, play the game, at the very least download the game. If you like the game, check it out. And from there, if you do want to buy into the Sapphire Studios token pre-sale, that's where you would do so with the links down below, and you can see how easy it is within this interface to get involved with this pre-sale. Okay, so that's what it is. Check it out. Not financial advice, and as always, within these pre-sales, it's kind of a gamble, but it's something where if you are into Web3 gaming, you like MMO games, Gold Inc. is a cool one that you definitely want to check out. Okay. Back into Doge, let's talk about the sell pressure, right? 5 billion coins have hit the exchanges, and this is something, as we've seen the rally that we've been on, kind of in jeopardy. And when these cryptos hit the exchanges, that's when a lot of people look for selling pressure. And as we look for Glassnode, okay, this is something where we've closed at a 3-year high of 5 billion coins on Sunday that are on exchanges, okay? So that's something that you do want to take in mind, because that usually means that people are pretty much on their way out, okay? It doesn't always mean that, but normally when people move crypto, especially at this magnitude, towards exchanges, that's kind of when we hit the panic button a little bit, and that's kind of what is going on right now. But the price of Doge is still holding true, as you see it right now, 22.81. I'll say it again. Okay. Dogecoin, as it was trading at 13, 14 cents, was extremely undervalued in my personal opinion. We did get as high as 28, and that's where we thought we were going to break through that 30 cents resistance and that psychological barrier. Whenever we do have whole numbers, that 30 definitely does come into play. But Dogecoin, if Bitcoin was going to take off again, would not shock me whatsoever if Doge was trading between the 30 to 36 cents range. 36 cents is kind of that upper echelon of a trading zone that I do look for. But right now, as we look for the volume, okay, we're bouncing back despite all this open interest that is kind of going on as well, where we do look into some negative metrics with the NAT. But the crypto that has hit exchanges is not being sold yet because we're actually up on the day. Okay, so keep that in mind. But basically what it comes down to is I think people have their finger on the trigger when it comes down to trading Doge. And that's kind of what I see happening. All right. It doesn't mean that I'm panicking, running for the hills. I'm unloading Doge. Yes, I may try to trade it a little bit, but for the most part, a Doge is a hold for me. A lot of my positions are actually below 10 cents. So we're kind of playing with house money. If you guys have a similar story, please let me know down below in the comments. But for everything that we're talking about in this video, okay, the one last thing I want to tell you guys is the realized profit loss ratio. Okay. This is something where the value of coins, which when they were acquired to when they are sold, when the ratio is above 1, that means that tokens or coins are being sold at a above average profit. Okay. And right now at a reading of 15.78, sellers are realizing profits at a staggering scale. Okay. So for every $1 loss, there's $15.78 in profit realized. This could continue to fuel the sell side momentum if we are looking for more investors to take gains and exit before any more potential deeper corrections. Okay. So right now we're just dealing with that selling pressure, but I do think it's something where if we see the opposite and we do get some buy pressure, this is something where we could talk about, the 28, 30, and even 36 cents Dogecoin very shortly. Okay. And that's kind of what I'm looking at, right? For me, what I'm doing, that's kind of my zone. Okay. Pretty much anything above 16, 17 cents is house money. Anything kind of up into the upper echelon where we're talking 27 all the way up to 33, 36 cents. That's kind of when we're in the go zone. And if we do get below 13 cents, that's probably when I'm going to be adding more Dogecoin. Because for me personally, and I'll never tell you to buy or sell crypto, it's not financial advice, but Doge valued that low. If we ever did reach that again, pretty much that's the back the truck up mentality that I have personally when I talk about Doge, because it's not meant to be under 10 cents. Okay. It's way too big of a crypto. It's a top 10 crypto. It has been for quite some time. It's outside of that meme coin conversation. Okay. As we look at Doge right now, we're talking about a $34+ billion market cap crypto. Okay. That's a big boy. All right. That's not just your normal run of the mill Solana meme coin that's coming out and just kind of, has some extensive trading volume and communities. This is a well-established mothership of meme coins, if you will. Okay, this is the Bitcoin of meme coins. All right, so that's just kind of my thoughts on it. I just wanted to kind of illustrate a little bit about the sell side pressure that we are faced with, and also the high magnitude of crypto that has hit the exchanges. Nothing where I'm panicking, nothing where I'm running for the hills. We'll kind of see how we weather the storm. But for me and what I'm doing, I just wanted to share with you guys my thoughts here in this video. So appreciate you guys spending a couple minutes of your time with me. Enjoy it. Let's kick off the new week with a bang. Hopefully we can reverse this. But if you haven't done so by now, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and join us. Also, be sure to check out the SST token presale. Links will be down below if you do want to get involved.